To check warranty on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we can open Settings. Here we need to scroll all the way down and go to About Phone. Next, we can find the IMEI number. In here, we are looking for IMEI 1. Press and hold your finger on the IMEI in order to copy to clipboard. Now in here, we're gonna go to the browser. We're gonna open the browser and you can search for Samsung IMEI check or something like that. And you should be able to find a website where you can check the IMEI of your phone. I'm gonna use this website as an example. Here we can enter the IMEI number, so let's do this. We need to also select that we are not a robot. Let me solve the captcha. Alright, thankfully I am not a robot, and we're gonna tap on check in order to get the information. And there we go. In here we can find the warranty expiration date, and that is pretty much it. Now, if this website doesn't work for you, feel free to try any other website that simply allows you to check the IMEI. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.